guys, jumpa lagi di channel saya guys. Sorry guys, lama tidak buat video sebab baru-baru ini balik kampung guys, cuti-cuti Malaysia. Jadi video pun kurang saya buat guys. Tapi oke lah, kasih ke orang tengok video sikit-sikit kerja. Tapi guys, saya minta guys, kalau guys nak minta video-video dekat kampung guys, nanti kamu komen di sepunya nih video. Jadi saya akan siarkan sepunya video-video di kampung lah guys. Tapi oke guys ya, boleh. So macam mana guys? Oke, tak gambar-gambar ya. Oke. Tapi video kali ini guys bukan untuk saya balik kampung guys. Tapi video kali ini ialah video untuk apa kerja saya hari ini. Jadi kerja saya macam biasalah guys. Kerja-kerja dah standby dekat bawah, dekat kita punya workshop. Jadi hari ini kerja saya welding lah guys, buat piping dan guna TIG guys. Oke guys, siapa yang belum subscribe guys, bantu subscribe saya guys, sebab subscribe saya tidak pernah naik-naik sudah. Jadi bantu share and bantu like, komen dan share guys. Oke, terima kasih guys.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight. That's right. Baby, I was born to fight. Yourself down a lonely road. I try to find my way but don't know where to go. It's hard to see your friends, tell them adios. When you've known them all for like forever, now you're just a ghost. Ain't no way to sugarcoat it, shit, I feel alone. Been single for a decade, doing me is getting old. I don't pick up when the phone rings, too busy recording. Industry ignores me, but I keep on going. Cause I know you got my back, I got you too. No matter what the situation, we gon' make it through. I'm a fighter, not a quitter. They can say that I'm a sinner cause they love to hate the winner, but I'm never gonna give up. The last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight. That's right. Baby, I was born to fight. Born to fight.
Okay guys, itu sajalah asapnya video kali ini guys. Welding saja guys, tidak yang menarik sangatlah, cuma welding saja. Jadi siapa-siapa kawan-kawan yang di luar sana belum subscribe sama channel saya guys, yaitu nama channel Daniel Den 89. Bantu subscribe guys. Bantu subscribe, komen, share dan subscribe guys. Oke guys, jumpa lagi di next video.